Okay, so in this automation I built, we had the usernames of the channels which of whom we need to scrape the data from, and then afterwards I've just got the rows where the username was given and everything else was empty. And then after just running these two HTTP nodes from which I'm fetching the data from YouTube, I'm updating those rows with that whole data like this. There is channel name, link, channel ID, then video count, subscribers, views, average views and all. And then there is another HTTP request, and that is for if there is this channel name, the fear behind you, it will be fetching the data from that channel and all the videos with their data, specifically their views, each video's views and their likes, count, comments, outlier, link, channel tags, and that's the whole data fetched from that automation in such a way that we have made those two HTTP node requests from YouTube API, using going through console.google.com and then enabling the YouTube API and all. And then we have just split it out the items, so to just get those all items one after another, and appended the rows in the Google Sheet. And by this whole process we have got the channel username data in whole, and then specifically each channel's data one after another. So as you can see, there is, first of all, there is the data from vintage truths. So we have set those strings to be at least 10. It is fetching 10 videos at a time. And then lazy chill history, even those 10 videos are being fetched, only just 10 because I have set that record to 10 here in this HTTP node. There is the max result value 10. By that it is fetching 10 videos from each channel, like genetic journey, and then this archivist, and then liturgy of fear. So here's the automation. It scraped the YouTube data from YouTube channels, different YouTube channels, and then from each YouTube channel we have fetched 10 videos. So thanks for watching.